हेलो हाय नमस्ते वेलकम टू डीएनए पाठशाला। आज हम सीखेंगे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, लेट्स क्विकली अंडरस्टैंड बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, द molecules that make life possible. All living organisms are made up of few major biomolecules, that is carbohydrates जो मेन एनर्जी सोर्स है, प्रोटीन्स जो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स हैं लाइफ के, लिपिड्स ये फैट्स या ऑयल्स है और ये एनर्जी स्टोरेज और सेल मेम्ब्रेन फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स दैट इज डीएनए एंड आरएनए जो आपका जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन कैरी करते हैं। थिंक ऑफ इट दिस वे, बायोमोलिक्यूल्स आर लाइक ingredients in your kitchen. Without sugar, flour and oil, no cake. Like that, without these biomolecules, no life. Now that we know the big picture, let's zoom into the carbohydrates, the sweet chemistry of life. आज हम इनको एकदम सिंपल, फन और क्रिस्टल क्लियर तरीके से समझेंगे, सो बायोलॉजी बोरिंग ना लगे। और हाँ, एंड में एक छोटा सा क्विज भी है, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, usually in the ratio CH2O, repeated multiple times. इसीलिए इन्हें CHO compounds भी कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लूकोज C6H12O6 जो आपके सेल्स का क्विक एनर्जी फ्यूल है। नाउ लेट्स सी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को हम 4 टाइप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, मोनोसैकेराइड्स, डाइसैकेराइड्स, ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स एंड पॉलीसैकेराइड्स। सबसे पहले आता है मोनोसैकेराइड्स। ये सिर्फ एक सिंगल शुगर यूनिट से बने होते हैं। इसके एग्जांपल्स हैं ग्लूकोज, फ्रुक्टोज एंड गैलेक्टोज। डेली लाइफ के एग्जांपल्स हैं फ्रूट्स लाइक मैंगोज एंड बनानास आर फुल ऑफ ग्लूकोज, एंड जो हम ब्लड शुगर चेक करते हैं दैट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्लूकोज। नेक्स्ट इज डाइसैकेराइड्स जो 2 मोनोसैकेराइड्स से बने होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सुक्रोज, माल्टोज एंड लैक्टोज। सुक्रोज इज ग्लूकोज प्लस फ्रुक्टोज, माल्टोज इज ग्लूकोज प्लस ग्लूकोज एंड लैक्टोज इज glucose plus galactose. Sucrose is present in sugarcane, lactose is present in milk. Next is oligosaccharides. These are made up of 3 to 10 monosaccharide units. इसका एग्जाम्पल है रैफिनोज जो बीन्स में पाया जाता है, एंड रैफिनोज इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्लूकोज प्लस फ्रुक्टोज प्लस गैलेक्टोज, सो इट इज अ ट्राइसैकेराइड. नाउ लास्ट इज polysaccharides. It is a long chain of monosaccharides. For example, starch and glycogen, which are the storage polysaccharides because starch is found in plants and glycogen is present in animals as a energy storage. Another examples are cellulose and chitin. These are structural polysaccharides because they give structure. Cellulose present in plant cell wall and chitin present in fungi cell wall or insects exoskeleton. Now let's see different structure of monosaccharides. All monosaccharides have same general formula, that is CH2O bracket N. But there are 2 different structures based on groups present, that is aldose and ketose. Aldose, monosaccharides with an aldehyde group, that is CHO at carbon 1. For example, glucose and galactose. They have same structural formula, that is CnH2ON. For example, glucose C6H12O6. And ketose, monosaccharides with a ketone group, that is C double bond O group at carbon 2. इसके examples हैं fructose, ribulose. C, here is the structure of glucose with aldose group at C1, and here is structure of fructose with ketone group at C2, but they both have same formula, that is C6H12O6. Now let's see bonds present between these monosaccharides, that is glycosidic bond. जब 2 monosaccharides join होते हैं they form a glycosidic bond by removing the water molecule. This reaction is called as condensation reaction. C, glucose plus fructose gives sucrose plus 1H2O molecule. This reaction is called as condensation reaction, and bond formed between glucose and fructose is glycosidic bond. Now we will see reactions, that is condensation and hydrolysis. First is condensation reaction जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया था, that is glycosidic bond formation. In this reaction two monosaccharides join together by forming glycosidic bond and releasing one water molecule. For example, glucose plus glucose gives maltose plus H2O. Next is hydrolysis. See, hydro means water, lysis means breakdown. Polysaccharides break down into simpler form by using water molecule. This reaction is called as hydrolysis. For example, starch breaking down into maltose. Again, maltose is break down into glucose, and this reaction takes place during the digestion. Now students, let's talk about the functions of carbohydrates, because knowing just the structure is not enough, right? Carbohydrates are true multitaskers. First, they are the main energy source, that is, glucose fuels every cell by converting into ATP. Second, they act as energy storage, starch in plants and glycogen in animals. थर्ड, दे गिव स्ट्रक्चरल सपोर्ट, जैसे कि सेल्यूलोज जो प्लांट सेल वॉल में प्रेजेंट है, और काइटिन जो इंसेक्ट्स में प्रेजेंट होता है. फोर्थ, दे प्ले अ रोल इन सेल रिकग्निशन एंड सिग्नलिंग, that is glycoproteins and glycolipids that are present on the cell membrane. And next, fifth, they are the part of DNA and RNA. Ribose and deoxyribose sugar forms the backbone of DNA and RNA. Now let's have quick recap. Carbohydrates are the CHO compounds because they are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Different types of carbohydrates are monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Linkage between two sugar units linked together by forming glycosidic bond, and this includes the reaction called condensation. Another reaction is hydrolysis, which is used to break down the glycosidic bond by using water molecule. Their functions include energy source, energy storage, structural function and cell recognition. So here is an animated mind map that shows all connections visually. Okay. Now here is one question for you all. Insects के exoskeleton में कौन सा carbohydrate होता है? So answer in the comment section. Life is literally sweet because of carbohydrates. तो अगली बार जब रोटी, राइस या फ्रूट्स खाना, याद रखना you are filling your body with sweet chemistry, that is carbohydrates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to revise the mind map at the end. और हाँ, एक छोटा सा neat tip, carbohydrates question usually come from glycosidic bonds, polysaccharides and functions. So don't skip them. Okay students, keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next chapter of biomolecules. Till then, stay curious. Bye bye.